MazdaSpeed pedals. What is going on, guys? My name is Dude7 and today we got a good mod to bang off the 2018 year. We're going to be doing MazdaSpeed pedals in a regular Mazda 3 2007 sedan. These are not slip-on pedals. You cannot get slip-on MazdaSpeed pedals. They are all bolt-in. So we're going to be screwing in some bolts and getting these on our old fading slip-on pedal covers. So let's get straight into it and unbox these. So I got these from speedline.com. I bought stuff from them before. I got my eyebrows that I used to have from them. So I got them from them. So obviously, if you guys want to pick these up for yourselves, the link will be in the description below. About -1 right now, so bear with me while my cold hands get through this. So you get a nice Speedline pen, like always from them. They always supply you with a nice multicolored pen. Is that purple? So this will be your gas pedal. These will be your brake and your clutch, and you also get a dead pedal with this, which is really nice. I was hoping that would come with it, and then you also get the hardware. So you get a bunch of screws here and washers and a big wrench. So let's get straight into the installation. That's pretty much all you get. These are rubberized, so if you push it through here, it comes out. So the rubber it does stick out pretty far. I wish it didn't stick out that much, but I think that'll be okay. So let's get these installed. I'm actually super stoked. You get the MazdaSpeed logo, a nice chrome kind of aluminum finish, rubber, and then you also get little holes, which we use Allen keys, and we're gonna screw in through here. So let's get straight into it. So these are your 3 normal pedals as you get them. So we're gonna be going ahead and taking them off. As you guys see, it's pretty faded here, so you don't get as much grip, and this is pretty worn as well. I don't think there's a cover on that one, so I'll have to take a look at that. But it's just a rubber cover. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Oh, it's so cool. So basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use one of these clamps and hold it on, and then I'm gonna drill in the 3 holes on this clutch pedal, just so it doesn't move or anything. So I'm gonna find the position. I think right there is pretty good. Make sure it's flat, make sure it's even on both sides. Okay guys, now that I have all holes drilled out, I'm going to use the little bolts and the nut that they gave us, and you just slide it on through, and then you just gotta somehow, because these are really small, so they also give you an Allen key, and you're also going to want to throw a washer behind here as well, just so it makes sure it tightens properly. Okay, and that's on pretty tight. So I'm going to go ahead and do the next 3, and then we'll move on to the brake pedal. Okay, so for this pedal, when you're putting this one together, it doesn't fold properly with the shape, so just keep that in mind. But anyways, so when you push it down, you're gonna wanna make sure the bottom of this does not hit the mat. So I have it about middle, and that should be good enough so that when you push it down all the way, the bottom doesn't hit the mat. So now this one's a little harder to get at, but I'm gonna start screwing this one in, and then we should be good. Okay, so that one was a little easier because I could hold it and it didn't take as long to drill through the plastic. So I got all 4 holes and it actually kind of worked out well because they're all in the grooves. So we're gonna go ahead and line it up again. So unfortunately for the dead pedal, they don't provide any hardware at all for the installation. So you guys are going to need some self-drilling screws to get into the whatever material it is. And so I got these tapping screws. These are 10 by 3/4, so 10 by 3/4, and they fit perfectly in there. Now you might be able to get a different thing, but these stick out pretty far, but they stick out. I don't know, it kind of makes it look cool. So we're gonna go ahead and use probably these ones for this. So now what I'm doing is I got a socket on the end and I'm just screwing them in because they are self-tapping. So I just put them in here and I lined it up how I wanted to. I think right there is pretty good. So of course I already did this one, I held it in and I just screwed it in. I think these might be a little too long. That one's sticking out. I just have to see. But I mean, it's on pretty tight. I don't think it's gonna really bother me that much. I mean, there's quite a bit of carpet anyway, so it's gonna be a little, you know, rubber or whatever. So that's all your pedal installation. So let's get a little view of it, see how it looks. I mean, it's pretty sick. Everything's on pretty tight. So yeah, that's how you install your MazdaSpeed pedals. So that's the video for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Black gloves for the win, -2 weather, MazdaSpeed pedal install complete. Absolutely makes the interior look sick. You open the door, you're like, dang, like this is like a super nice car. So definitely pick it up. Like 50 bucks Canadian for these pedals plus cheap shipping is unbelievable to actually give your car a really nice look, and it's definitely underrated, I think. So links in the description if you guys want to go pick it up. Like I said, very cheap, and it's actually really easy to install. Like you guys just got a tutorial. So if you guys want to stick around for more Mazda Mods video, here's a little hint of what's going to be next. If you guys know what an SG car camera is, then you guys know what I'm going to be doing in my next Mazda Mods. Super excited to do this, but if you guys don't know what it is, then you guys will have to wait. It's a camera of some sort, but what kind of camera is it? If you guys liked today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more Mazda Mods. My name is Dude7, and Happy New Year, guys. I will see you guys in the next one.